Hello, my name is Marjorie Hernandez, and this will be my interactive advanced concept presentation number 7 for General Chemistry 125, Professor Dr. Capps. So with this presentation, we will be doing a balloon geometry. The description of this lab goes as far as, for today's experiment, you will be designing and explaining all of the different electron domain geometries using balloons. For each of these, please indicate the total of electron domains, the type of molecule, the electron's domain geometry, number of lone pairs, and give an example of each pair. Instructions are, for this experiment, you will need balloons and lots of them. So I've already pre-blew a bunch of balloons. So I'm looking forward to this. Okay, so we are to use our table from chapter 9. And I'm going to start from the beginning, go in order. So the first one I have is, excuse me if I'm pronouncing these wrong, is trigonal-planar. The type of molecule is AB2. The electron domains in it are 3. The geometry shape, as I said before, is trigonal-planar. And a lone pair is 1, which will consist of 3 balloons. So I have 1 balloon. I have 2 balloons, and I have 3 balloons, as you can see. 3 balloons. Okay. The second one is tetrahedral. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. The type of molecule is AB3. The electron domain is 4. Which will consist of 4 balloons, and lone pair is just 1. So I'm going to go ahead and add another balloon. This camera seems like it's backwards, but here's the other balloon. So it's kind of hard trying to get all 4 of them, but there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, 4. Okay. The next one is trigonal pyramidal. Looks like it says pyramid, so I'm going to pronounce it again. Trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, so the electron domain are 5. The type of molecule is AB4. The lone pair, I believe that was 1. Yeah, 1. And which means it will consist of 5 balloons because the electron domain is 5. So I already have 4 balloons. I'll be adding another one. Number 5. It becomes more difficult trying to grab all of them, but I will try and make it work. One fell. All of them fell. Give me 1 second. But I guess you got the gist of me holding 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to try and tape them at the end. And 5. This is number 5. Okay, I'm going to set these down. For the last pair, I'm going to just try and tape them all together so it could be a better picture. Okay. The last one is, we'll probably mispronounce this. Okay. It's octahedral. The electron domain are 6. The molecule is AB5. The lone pair is just 1. Since the electron domain is 6, it will consist of 6 balloons. So here are 3. Here is... This is harder than I thought it would be to grab all these balloons. So here are 3 and here are 3, which makes 6, as you can see. I will try and tape them together and see if that is a better view. Let's see if this works. So here's 3 already taped. And the next 3. I probably should have blown the balloons not so big. That probably would have helped a little bit. But again, they're balloons. Okay, so 3 and 3 make 6. And that is my final one. It was pretty cool making this. Hopefully I did it correctly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.